Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2644th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Wow, let's talk about risk first. Risk. Never ever trade without putting stops in first. Put them in first no matter what you trade. Let's look at this chart. Last night's video, I said, listen, the OMNI went neutral. A lot of people are getting buy signals. The market went up all day on Tuesday, and be really careful. So I should say it went up all day on Monday, and be really careful because I want you to do not fall in love with the upside, and that's what we talked about last night. This would just be a pause. Do not fall in love with the upside. Well, here's what happened from that video till now. It's exactly what happened. It went up a little bit, turned around, and dumped. Just a pause. Do not fall in love with the upside yet. We still have more adjusting to do on the downside because interest rates are rising due to the 30-year T-bond chart dropping so quickly. As T-bonds drop, interest rates rise, and that's why the market is adjusting. So that's what you're seeing. I think we had another chart that we were going to look at together. Let's see, where is that? This one right here. Traders, another chart I find interesting is gold, the metals themselves. Gold has a lot going on. You see this bearish channel? You got a bearish channel you've been in for a long time, and that channel has been true, top and bottom, holding true every time except for right there. Hits the top. So now it also, look at the way it reacts around this average. Isn't that insane how well the average works? Stops the market, stops the market, stops the market, stopped the market just recently. We also have a bear flag, and we have just fallen out of that bear flag. Lots of reasons, and a red OMNI. Lots of reasons to think you want to sell rallies in gold, something I wanted to show you. The other thing, and I mentioned all week, and I'll mention it again, which is so exciting, is this. Check this out, kids. If you want to join me, come hang out with me on Thursday, the 28th of September. That's 2 days from now, because it's Tuesday while I'm doing this video. If you're watching the video, it's already Wednesday. That means tomorrow is the event. We are doing the Festival for Technotainment Streaming Media. We are premiering Chasing the Water Dream. There'll be, look, right here, your date and time, Thursday, the 28th, 6 p.m. We will be at the Art House Theater. Look that up, please. It's South 3rd Street. It is absolutely free to you. Just click the reserve spot. 6 to 7 is happy hour. 7 to 7:40, we will show the movie, Chasing the Water Dream. After that, we will get together for some questions and answers about Technotainment and about Cardano. Then we've got networking, and guess what's going to happen after that? DJ Squirkle, the AI turntable maestro, if you will be entertaining us. DJ Squirkle in person here in Las Vegas at the event. Make sure you click the link below and reserve your spot, and we will see you there. Traders, I will see you on Thursday. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things, in my opinion, you can do to keep those emotions at bay is say this to yourselves over and over again. Are you with me? I know you know it by now, so say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. DJ Squirkle, can't wait to see you. I want to see the performance, and I'm looking forward to the movie. And of course, TSM and Channel 101. We will see you all there. Click the link below to reserve your spot. And then, of course, join me at livewithoscar.com. Be safe out there, kids.